In this video, I'd like to discuss prime numbers and composite numbers. So first, what are prime numbers? Well, a prime number is a natural number greater than 1, and it has exactly 2 factors, which means it's only divisible by the number itself and 1. Now, what about composite numbers? Well, a composite number is also a natural number greater than 1. But unlike prime numbers, a composite number is divisible by a number other than itself and 1, which means it has more than 2 factors. So, to make sure we understand the difference between prime and composite numbers, let's work together to figure out which of these 4 numbers are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. Now, as you can already see, each number is greater than 1. But which of the numbers have exactly 2 factors and which have more than 2 factors? Now, let's start with the number 6. So, how many factors does 6 have? Well, 6 can be divided by 1, by 2, 3, and by 6. So, 6 has 4 factors. And remember, if a number has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Next, we have the number 11. So, how many factors does 11 have? Well, 11 can be divided by 1, and it can also be divided by 11. So, 11 has exactly 2 factors. And remember, a number that has exactly 2 factors is a prime number. And next, we have 17. Now, 17 can be divided by 1, and it can be divided by 17. So 17 can only be divided by itself and 1. So it has exactly 2 factors, which makes 17 a prime number. And up next, we have the number 21. So how many factors does 21 have? Well, 21 can be divided by 1, by 3, 7, and by 21. So 21 has 4 factors. So it has more than 2 factors, which makes 21 a composite number. If you like this video, please subscribe to Mr. McLean Math. And also, be sure to click all so that you get notifications when new math videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching.